Have you ever asked yourself what really happens inside your body when you take Viagra? Not just the advertisement that says it improves performance and that's it, or the superficial talk in gatherings. Today, we will literally go inside the human body and see with science and imagery how Viagra moves inside the body and affects the brain, heart, and blood vessels, and when it is beneficial and when it is dangerous. As soon as the pill enters your body, it goes to the stomach, and the stomach here is not just a food bag, it's a real chemical lab. The Viagra starts to break down, and the active ingredient gets ready for absorption, and then we move to the small intestine, which is the main place where the real effect begins. From here, the active ingredient passes through the intestinal wall and enters directly into the bloodstream. The blood is the transport medium that carries the Viagra and circulates it throughout the entire body, not just one place as many people think. And here we come to the most important point, which is the blood vessels. Viagra's main function is to dilate the blood vessels by increasing a substance called nitric oxide. This substance makes the blood vessel wall relax, allowing blood to flow more easily and in greater quantity. And this happens throughout the entire body, not just in one place. The heart itself doesn't get stronger or beat faster, but it benefits from the smooth blood flow. And that's why heart patients need to be careful, because sudden changes in blood pressure can be dangerous for them. Moving on to the brain. Viagra is not a narcotic or a nervous stimulant, but when it increases blood flow to the brain, it allows nerve signals to travel better. This explains why some people feel headaches or heaviness in the head due to the dilation of blood vessels. Here we clarify a very important point. Medically, an erection is not related to masculinity or strength. The male organ is essentially a network of blood vessels, not a muscle. When the vessels expand, the blood flows in heavily and is relatively trapped, causing an erection without the medication, increasing desire itself, or creating arousal from nothing. As for muscles and energy, Viagra does not build muscle or replace exercise, but it temporarily improves oxygen delivery. So some people feel a slight boost in energy. But this feeling is temporary, and relying on it is wrong. After the Viagra finishes its work, the liver starts breaking it down and converting it into weaker compounds, and the kidneys take over to remove it from the body. That's why excessive use or mixing it with alcohol or other medications puts a lot of pressure on the liver and kidneys. Let's talk about the side effects. This is a point that needs to be clear. Not everyone benefits. Some people feel headaches, facial flushing, stomach upset, and low blood pressure. In rare cases, allergies or serious problems can occur, especially for those with heart diseases or who are taking certain medications. The bottom line is that Viagra is a medication, not a toy, and not a magic solution or something to be taken without awareness. It works on the blood, not on masculinity. And if you understand your body well, you'll know when you need medication and when you don't. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel, because here we explain your body from the inside with science, not nonsense. And write to me in the comments, what would you like the next video to be about? Which medicine or which food affects your body? Always understand before you try.